Hello keyframe lovers! Welcome to a new chapter of our quick tutorial section. Ready to elevate your animations? Let's unlock the secret to stunning textures in After Effects. To get started, drag the texture into your composition, placing it right above the background layer. Since the texture is very large, I will reduce its scale to improve its appearance. Animate its position every 4 frames. You don't need to overthink it, just move it randomly. After applying 4 keyframes, select and copy the first keyframe with Ctrl+C and paste it with Ctrl+V. Select all the keyframes, right-click, toggle hold keyframe. Next, click on the stopwatch symbol while holding the Alt key to create an expression. Type the expression you see on the screen. To enhance the texture's compatibility with the background, adjust the blending mode to overlay and reduce the opacity to 60%. Let's take a look. Now, let's learn how to apply a texture to an animated object. We can follow the same process we did before, or even easier, use the animation we've already created by duplicating the texture and replacing it with another. To do this, select the texture and duplicate it with Ctrl+D. Drag the texture above the object you want to apply it to, for example, Shape 2. To replace the texture, make sure you have it selected and drag the new texture over while holding the Alt key. Again, you can adjust the size of the texture to your liking. Next, apply a track matte so that the texture is only visible inside the shape. From the track matte menu, drag this spiral known as the pick whip onto the layer you've decided to apply it to. When you do this, the layer is automatically deactivated. You just need to reactivate it by clicking here. Let's change the blending mode to one that looks better. I'll try Multiply. To make the texture follow the animation of Shape 2, parent the texture layer to the shape layer by dragging from this other spiral here on the right. And if we preview, voila! By following the same process, you can apply textures to all objects to achieve amazing results. Subscribe to our channel and look at our animation courses in the description.